windy. I'll try to get a chance to talk to you. We are at the Nova Center in Chateauguay, Quebec, Canada, checking out this car show. We were here last year. There's a video at Fire Station doing a demonstration. They're ripping apart a car with the jaws of life.
They're there until the tow truck comes.
So I figured I'd take this moment right here, I even know everybody's looking at me funny, to go around and film the car. So let's get the show. Big smile and wave.
Show, so fuck it, I'll put on my own light show.
I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared, I guess I'll fall in my chair. And I'm wondering how I'll get down left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. And I'm wondering what losing control. Yeah, I'm all over the place. I got clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Take it to the bridge.
So it looks like a good turnout tonight. A bunch of people here, pretty full parking lot already, and they're still rolling in. So we're just gonna keep filming as they keep coming in for as long as we're here. It's getting dark soon. I'm trying to get all these shots before it gets too dark to see anything. And enjoy the show. Steve, just say hi to the camera and stuff.
Hey, man.
I have to explain how this thing got hit.
Writings on the wall. Very superstitious. I'm used so bad, bad luck. Good things in your past. When you believe in things that you don't understand. Come on, gotta keep it going.
Salut, je vais prendre la photo.
Ooh, I think if we're lucky we can catch a dyno run. Dyno runs are cool.
I told her I'd wait for her. I'll watch her. Okay.
just maybe we can convince Andrew to tell you what's going on here. Oh, really? I was going to get you to
going on,
say
brothers?
what it was about. I was going to get you to explain it.
Just ran it down. They're gonna do another pull later on.
I'll try to catch it. If you guys haven't figured it out, we're at Nova Career Center. This is in Chattaquay. Check it out behind us. Look at the facility. This is a school for auto mechanics, trade school, or however you want to call it. I'm not sure exactly, but this is where my buddies come to learn how to wrench on cars. Andrew, this is where he's going to school. My buddy Steve that brought the GT86 out here today, he went to school here too. So this never often happens. I got to bring both the rides out here tonight. But I was supposed to have Jamie out here with his 240, Jean-Marc with the wagon, and Brent with the Malibu. They bailed on me. I had to get a driver for the 86 tonight. So my buddy Steve came through, brought both my babies. It's kind of weird, kind of nerve-wracking to be honest with you, because watching some dude drive my car, but you know what? It worked out. Kid can drive. Thank God. Good job, Steve. Okay, now that everybody's cleared out of the shop, sorry. Wait. Okay, we're good. Now that everybody's cleared out of here because the dyno runs over, we can really check this out. So it looks like they brought some more cars in here, a little bit of a show going on. Look at the facilities, man. Who doesn't like dyno run, right? Cut the footage.
Pretty good? That's pretty good. Next one's gonna be in 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
How fast can you go?
Oh, that's nothing.
You missed it?
I'm waiting.
Me too. I came in 5 minutes after. Alright guys, so check it out. The dyno run is starting again. We're gonna catch it. We got in here first. Hopefully we get the best seats, right?
Okay, so on this screen over here, we're gonna have the RPM of the engine, and then this is the RPM at which it will begin the load. So you'll see that's gonna freewheel a little bit until it gets to 2,500 RPM. Then that's when you hear the engine actually work. It's gonna simulate as if it's on the road. And then we're gonna load it up all the way up to the red line, so 6,300 RPM, and then we're gonna see how much power it creates. Here we go. All right, so
Positive influence. Good call.
stand back, stand back. All right, let's see how it goes. That was a pretty good one. We're looking at the gray line over there. It's a gray line over there.
You're doing pretty good.
Thanks, man.
Right on top of your phone. Yeah. There, buddy.
Okay, so we actually threw down the most horsepower on this one of all the runs. We did 6 runs in the past. In this case over here, the gray line's pushing 388 with the wheels. Okay, so the engine from the factory is rated at 425-ish. In that case over there, we pushed 388, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can reset it because I did all 6 of my runs. Now, I've never done this before, reset it, so we're gonna try it. Let's embarrass myself, shall we? Perfect. It claims it's ready, so let's try it again.
So you learning this stuff? Gonna be a super tuner by tomorrow morning?
Alright, buddy.
Good. Good.
Got this. We just have to buy it.
Okay.
Boom! Yeah, sorry about that.
That's okay.
Yeah. Not ready.
All right, so they're gonna do another dyno pull. If you guys are listening, paying attention, you saw that the last pull he did was actually the highest number they've got so far. So they're looking to reset it, gonna give it another pull. My buddy Steve here, he went to school here, he knows these guys. And he's looking to become a tuner, learn this stuff and learn how to tune cars and work with a dyno. And hey, if everything goes good, maybe we'll get a dyno and this guy can tune for us, huh? So let's see how these dudes make out.
Very couple of
You got this.
You're gonna waste all your footage, I swear.
For the highlight, man. Superstar. Now we're talking.
Yeah, now we're talking.
What do we got? What do we got?
Got 378.
Oh, it dropped 10.
So I apologize about the delay, but yeah, let's do it on. So we got 378 on the red line. The red line is the one that's highlighted here. That's the run I did. The ones that are dotted, those are runs I did in the past that I've since reset as needed. So you can actually still see where I'm hanging out. It's not the most I've set in the past, but it's pretty good. Okay, so far the last run I got there was 388, so we got 378 now, which is good. Okay? So while I have a bigger crowd here, let's do it again. But I have to shut it down after this because it will get really hot. So it's not hard. It is not.
Okay, so you don't have any stand.
Did you work on this when you were here?
Exactly. It's a year
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they got it in the little spot.
He can tune already. No, I was talking about the dyno. He can't tune it.
Yeah.
Well, sorry it took so long, but there you go. You got your video.
It's all good. That's awesome, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, dude. Real good editing, you know?
I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good.
To make me look good, yeah.
So, there is a lot of cool stuff around here. I can have a lot of fun doing. Sorry, the camera keeps going in and out of focus. I don't know what's up. I think the lens is a little dirty. But anyways, getting back to the point. And this is a school. You can learn how to be an auto mechanic, how to weld. Obviously, there's tuning, all kinds of metal work. I should have came here instead. Now I'm driving snowplows. Damn.